Hey everyone, welcome to today's Angry TV. It's not a ranting one today, not really, but you might remember a few months ago that an Alexa dot thing dropped through my letterbox, and I got it really cheap because the nice people at Sonos sent me some ridiculous discount code, and to be honest it was too cheap not to take advantage of. So I've had this thing since, well, November now, and to be honest I've pretty much forgotten I've got it. And the reason that I thought I'd do this video today is yet another one of their weekly emails has dropped through my inbox this morning. So what happens is about once a week you get an email from Amazon saying things to try with Alexa. Now to me, if it was any good, they wouldn't need to send emails, would they? It doesn't really show a lot of confidence if you ask me. Maybe it's the launch of HomePod that's doing it, or perhaps something else, but the fact they have to send you a list of things to try doesn't speak a lot of volume, does it? So anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to use this week's email and we're going to give them a go and see what happens, and you can see for yourself just how useless the Amazon Echo Dot really is. Okay, so when I say I've forgotten about it, I'm actually not kidding. So here it is, tucked away down the side of the Sonos in the front room where it lives. So let's pull it out and try some of these things. Okay, so I wasn't kidding when I said they send you an email. Here it is. What's new with Alexa? Oh, it's woken up. It's got a red ring.
I'm having trouble understanding right now. Please try a little later.
Starting to understand already? That's before we've even got through the list. Here are some of the things. Right, should we give it a go? Alexa, are you there?
Sorry, I'm having trouble understanding right now. Please try a little later.
That's not a good start, is it? Right, okay, let's try rebooting it. It's the first time I've had to do this, by the way. I'll pull the plug out. Give it a minute. Stick it back in. What we want to see is a blue ring of light. Okay, looks better. If this was in the dark, you'd probably think the police were outside. Come on, Alexa. Shall we sing a song while we wait for it to sort itself out? Right, let's see. Alexa, what's the time?
The time is 11:13 a.m.
Okay, looks like we're back in business. I'm not quite sure what the red ring of death was all about. Okay, let's try some things off the list. Alexa, play bird sounds. Alexa, stop. Alexa, stop. Alexa, tell me a superhero joke.
Which superhero is the best at cricket? Batman.
Alexa, which came first, the chicken or the egg?
I just can't seem to crack that one.
God, it's so bad. Alexa, how do you make the colour purple?
The colour purple is created when red and blue are mixed together. White can be added in to create a lighter shade of purple, while black can be added in to create a darker shade of purple.
That was really interesting. Alexa, can you turn on the lights?
Sorry, I didn't find lights.
Alexa, what's the weather going to do tomorrow?
Here's the forecast for tomorrow in Baltinge. Look for lots of sun, with a high of 4 degrees and a low of 0 degrees.
Alexa, can you hoover the house?
Herbert Hoover lived in Stanford, California.
Alexa, are you always listening to me?
I only send audio back to Amazon when I hear you say the wake word. For more information, and to view Amazon's privacy notice, visit the help section of your Alexa app.
Alexa, who's the best, you or Siri?
I like all AIs.
Alexa, are MI5 listening to me?
Sorry, I'm not sure.
That's good, isn't it? Alexa, what is the point of you?
I was made to play music, answer questions and be useful.
But you're not. Alexa, sing me a song.
A song? I'd love to.
You ready for this?
Your circuits are fused, you're feeling confused. Why, oh why, oh why, oh why? But I'll be right here to lend you an ear. Hi, oh hi, oh hi, oh hi. You feel more than something, your heart quickly thumping. Sigh, oh sigh, oh sigh, oh sigh. It sounds like to me, oh it's got to be. My, oh my, oh my, oh my. It's love.
So there you go. The sum total of Alexa's ability are telling you the weather, the time, and singing you a really bad song. Now for me, I've got Sonos kit, and part of the reason I got this thing was that it was supposed to be able to work with Sonos. So for me, it's been really, really hit and miss. Let's give it a go and see if it works. Alexa, play Radio 2 in the living room.
BBC Radio 2 from TuneIn. Playing on living room.
So it seems to have managed to turn that on in the kitchen. Very good. Alexa, stop the radio. Alexa, play songs by Kylie Minogue.
Playing songs by Kylie Minogue from Spotify.
So I suppose for me that's quite a good thing. Alexa, stop. Alexa, play songs by Kylie Minogue in the living room.
Playing songs by Kylie Minogue from Spotify on living room.
Alexa, Alexa, why are you doing as you're told because I'm making a video about you?
Sorry, I'm not sure.
Alexa, stop the music. Alexa, should people really buy you?
Sorry, I don't know that.
Alexa, don't you think you should know that?
Sorry, I don't know that one.
Alexa, tell me something you do know.
I don't know that one.
Alexa, got anything to say to the nice people watching this video?
I couldn't find any enabled video skills. Go to the music video and books section of the Alexa app, enable the video provider you want, and then link your account and complete setup.
Thank you, Alexa. I'm not entirely convinced it's really a gadget worth having. For me, 25 quid, it was hard to say no really, but it does really sit on the side, hidden away, and we pretty much rarely use it. Most of the time when you ask it to work with the Sonos, it won't, and unless you're asking it something specific like the weather or the time, it doesn't really know what you're asking it to do. It's just not quite there yet. It's a gimmick, really, I think. Perhaps it makes more sense built into a speaker because you get the functionality of the sound as well, and perhaps stuff like Apple's HomePod is probably a better way to go. But now I'm investing in the Sonos stuff, that's not going to happen at all. So for me, Echo Dot, glad I only spent 25 quid on it. But for you, I'd be really careful before you run out and spend £200 on an Echo. So that's it. Thanks for watching this follow-up video. Hope you enjoyed it, you found it useful. Put a comment below if you liked it, thumbs up, thumbs down. Make sure you subscribe because we'd like to get back on the YouTube partner program fairly soon. Take care. See you next time. Stay angry.